It would be recalled that Mr. Hicken was appointed to act in the office long before he reached 55 years. And upon him approaching his 55th birthday, an extension of time was granted for him to continue to serve in office by President Dr. Irfaan Ali, and the President did so in exercising certain powers conferred upon the President by an act of Parliament called the Constitutional Prescribed Matters Act. That act permits a Commissioner of Police tenure to be extended. Well, first of all, the act provides that a Commissioner of Police shall vacate office upon the attainment of 55 years of age, provided that the President may permit a Commissioner of Police to continue to act in office after consulting with the Police Service Commission to allow that Commissioner of Police to continue to act in office until he or she reaches the age of 60 years old. The challenge filed was on the basis that when they say Commissioner of Police, when the Act speaks to Commissioner of Police, the Act does not include a person acting in the office of Commissioner of Police. No provision of the Constitution prohibits the President from appointing a Commissioner of Police after the age 55. It is this Constitutional Prescribed Matters Act that says, and this act also does not prohibit the President from appointing a person to the office of Commissioner of Police after that person attains 55. There is no express provision to that effect. What the section says is that a police commissioner shall vacate office at age 55. There's a huge difference. Another important point that needs to be made is that the Constitution defines a Commissioner of Police as an officer in command of the police force, however styled. So whether he's acting, the Constitution also says that in relation to any office, whatever rules apply to the substantive holder of that office applies to anyone acting in that office. So the combination of those two constitutional definitions mean that Commissioner of Police doesn't necessarily, when they use the term Commissioner of Police, it doesn't necessarily mean a substantive holder of the office. And our submissions were upheld by the learned Chief Justice, and the learned Chief Justice ruled that the appointment of Mr. Hicken as substantive Commissioner of Police was not unlawful, and that the President did not violate the Constitution, nor did the President violate the Constitutional Prescribed Matters Act when he appointed Mr. Hicken or converted his acting appointment to a substantive one after he passed 55 years of age. The court ordered the applicant, Troy Garraway to pay a total of $500,000 in costs